Electronic skin that reacts to pain and temperature. A team at RMIT University in Melbourne, Australia has developed artificial electronic skin that reacts to pain just like real skin. To know more about it, make sure to watch the video till the end. Currently in the prototype phase, this artificial skin mimics the body's near-instant feedback response. It can also respond to painful sensations with the same lightning speed that nerve signals travel to the brain. As predicted by scientists, the device could pave the way towards better prosthetics, smarter robotics, and non-invasive alternatives to skin grafts. In other words, it is significant to advance towards next-generation biomedical technologies and intelligent robotics. Skin is our body's largest sensory organ, with complex features designed to send rapid-fire warning signals when anything hurts. We are sensing things all the time through the skin, but our pain response only kicks in at a certain point, like when we touch something too hot or too sharp. No electronic technology has been able to realistically mimic that very human feeling of pain until now. Along with this pain-sensing prototype, scientists also created 3 other devices using stretchable electronics to sense and respond to temperature and pressure changes. These 3 prototypes were designed to deliver critical features of the skin's sensing capability in electronic form. Scientists used 3 different technologies. 1. Stretchable electronics, combining oxide materials with biocompatible silicon to deliver transparent, unbreakable, and wearable electronics as thin as a sticker. Number 2. Temperature reactive coatings. Self-modifying coatings 1000 times thinner than a human hair based on a material that transforms in response to heat. Number 3. Brain-mimicking memory. Electronic memory cells that imitate the way the brain uses long-term memory to recall and retain previous information. The memory cells in each prototype were responsible for triggering a response when the pressure, heat, or pain reached a threshold. This is the first electronic somatosensory replicating the key features of the body's complex system of neurons, neural pathways, and receptors that drive our perception of sensory stimuli. While some existing technologies have used electronic signals to mimic different pain levels, these new devices can react to real mechanical pressure, temperature, and pain and deliver the right electronic response. It means our artificial skin knows the difference between gently touching a pin with your finger or accidentally stabbing yourself with it. A critical distinction that has never been achieved before electronically. It is a critical step forward in the future development of the sophisticated feedback systems that we need to deliver truly smart prosthetics and intelligent robotics. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like these.